Do you want to know about bitter cola benefits and side effects? You are in the right place. This video will give you health facts about the benefits and side effects of bitter cola and also the disadvantages of bitter cola. Watch till the end as we have compiled the information on benefits and side effects of bitter cola. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. The use of bitter cola as a herbal remedy for various ailments have been around for ages. However, the use of bitter cola as a medicinal treatment for cancer was first reported in ancient China. Because there are a number of health advantages of taking this natural remedy, many people are now turning to it as alternative medicine. The use of bitter cola as a cancer alternative medicine is not new. However, many people are turning to this remedy today. Bitter cola contains a large amount of caffeine, which is why consuming too much of it can also be very unhealthy. Also, because of its high caffeine content, eating bitter cola regularly could also be very addictive. Therefore, you have to be very careful when consuming bitter cola to prevent addiction. Now that you have some idea of the risk involved, let's look at some of the benefits. Since bitter colas are rich in antioxidants, they can help remove toxins from your body. Also, because of their high antioxidant content, they can protect your cells from the harmful effects of free radicals in your body. This means that you will not only have good health, but also good overall health. Before I share with you some of the health benefits of bitter cola, I need to tell you more about their side effects. First of all, you need to know that bitter colas have no side effects of their own, even when taken in large doses. However, these side effects can sometimes occur if you do not take them properly. What are bitter cola side effects? The first side effect is the common cold. Like we stated earlier, bitter cola contains a lot of caffeine, which is a very potent drug. If you don't get enough sleep, it will keep on giving you a jolt and you will feel very uncomfortable. You need to make sure that you get enough sleep. The second side effect is headaches. However, this is only temporary and it tends to subside after a while. Sometimes people can experience nausea, but this is not very serious and can go away after a couple of days. The third side effect is an irregular heartbeat. Let me tell you, there are certain bodies that might just be allergic to the plant and show certain reactions. In those cases, it is better you consult your doctor and stop the use. The fourth one is high blood pressure. It is best to avoid eating bitter cola and alligator pepper if you have high blood pressure. Do not consume bitter cola and alligator at the same time, as this could cause a risk in your health system by raising your blood pressure. The fifth side effect is that it is not good to eat after surgery. It is not healthy to eat it after surgeries. It is known that these nuts can increase blood clotting situations. People who did some surgeries should stay away from bitter cola so as not to add up such of the side effects to the overall health conditions. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of benefits and side effects of bitter cola. Please drop your comments below telling me what you think, and if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. The sixth and final side effect is stomach ache. If you do not take care of your stomach, it might become inflamed and you might have cramps. If this happens, you will have to go see your doctor. The side effects of these nuts and the other remedies have not been fully explored yet. So it is important to discuss your concerns with your doctor so that he can determine if there are any possible problems that you are having. And remember, your doctor knows everything that you are allergic to, so he can prescribe the best possible treatment for you. Let us discuss the alternatives to bitter kola. There are different options that you can try. Some people prefer the taste of kola nut, which is also a nut that has a very bitter taste. However, avoid eating too much of these nuts regularly because it could potentially harm you or even cause side effects. Instead, you can try another remedy that has less bitterness like ginger tea. Bitter kola alternative is kola nut, which is made from a bitter root that can also be used to cure stomach pains. However, this remedy can be a bit dangerous if you use too much of it. If you do use it on a regular basis, it can cause you some serious stomach problems. The great thing about bitter kola is that it can be blended and mixed with lemon juice, and the drink can make you feel great. You can even drink it with honey for a better taste. Bitter kola and honey are being used by many people and have good results in the combination. All are proven to work well. So as you have seen, this nut can have many health benefits and a real treasure to every person for many reasons. It can even help you reduce weight and as well improve respiratory functions. But it is important to consult your doctor first for you to make sure that you can consume it as well as in what amount of eating it is best. Thank you for watching our video on benefits and side effects of bitter kola. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.